Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to do a huge K-beauty haul, review and swatches. So I got a lot of stuff from Nykaa and this is pretty much everything that I bought from K-beauty. So I am going to review each of these for you guys. So those of you who don't know, K-beauty is a brand by Katrina Kaif and it launched on Nykaa about last year. जब ये launch हुए थे, I was very skeptical if I should buy these or not. But इतने सारे अच्छे reviews के बाद I finally got these. So I got metallic eyeshadows, lip crayons, kajal, lip topper, and I am going to review everything in this video. So this is a completely honest and unsponsored video. If you're new to my channel, please go hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me grow. Without any further ado, let's get into the video and let's get started. Okay, so first in I have this beautiful metal show eyeshadow sticks from K-beauty. तो अगर मैं इनके पैकेजिंग की बात करूँ, I quite like the packaging. It's very simple. It's just a white color का packaging and जो आप साइड पे shade देख रहे हो, that is the shade of the metal eyeshadow stick. So if you see कि यहाँ पे K-beauty की branding है, then we have the shade and here there's a little detail about the eyeshadow stick. Then इसके back पे there's the pricing and the ingredients. So first in I have this blushed moonlight. It is a beautiful mauve rustic shade. Now this is not a matte shade, it's more of on the shimmery side because the metal eyeshadow sticks and so these are shimmery. Then I have a darker shade, so this one is Temptation. It is also a beautiful shade. These two are my absolutely pretty girly shades, favorite shades. Then I have the Golden Hour shade. Now this is a shade which I use mostly because it can be layered up with any dark shade or any light shade. This is such a beautiful shade. You can wear it to any occasion and especially when you use these eyeshadow sticks at night, these look so pretty. Then last but not the least, I have Starry Night, which is this beautiful black metallic eyeshadow stick. Now this is majorly used if you want to do a smoky eye look with a shimmer. Now next up I have this beautiful smoky kajal from K-beauty. This is Raven Hue. This costs again 599 rupees. This is like the darkest kajal I've ever used. It's so jet black and इसकी ये quality है that एक side पे तो ये काजल दिया हुआ है and another side there is this small brush which you can use to smudge your kajal. So इससे वो smoky eye effect आता है. This kajal is specifically for smoky eye purpose. Then I have the K-beauty gel kajal called Oinks. So Oinks is the shade name and iska cost है around 450 rupees. Now this is also a very jet black kajal. I am using the smoky eye kajal on my eyes and you can see कि ये कितना ज़्यादा black and beautiful है. I love these kajals from K-beauty. These are smudge proof and very long lasting. Next up I have two beautiful contour sticks from K-beauty. These cost 599 each. So this is beige focus and caramel focus and now my video is out of focus. So first one is this caramel focus. It is this beautiful brown color. So let me swatch it for you guys. So you can see it has a beautiful dark brown shade. Now I will use it on my cheeks to contour my face. Now I will use my fingers to smudge this and you can see कि कितना beautiful shadow type effect and contour इसने किया मेरे face पे. Next I have beige focus. This is quite similar to caramel focus. They are just a shade apart. This one is a little lighter from caramel focus. This I will swatch on second side of my face and then again smudge it in the upward direction. So yes, it created a beautiful shadow there as well. So next up I have this beautiful lip crayons from K-beauty. This is Publicity, Starmania and Sparklight from their Matinee lip crayon range. So these cost rupees 799 each. So first I'll swatch Publicity. It's a beautiful red shade. It's that typical tomato tangy red shade. Usually I don't wear these shades but this is so beautiful. ये लिप क्रेयॉन्स आर हाईली पिगमेंटेड एंड बिल्डेबल ऑल्सो, एंड इनका स्टे पावर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. ऑल्सो दीज आर नॉट ड्राइंग एट ऑल, दीज आर creamy mattes. Next up I'm swatching Star Mania. This is a beautiful pink shade, so these are the shades I mostly wear. So this is a darker shade. The best thing that I like about these lipsticks are these are not at all drying and it's very easy to apply these also. And अगर आप इनकी packaging भी देखो तो these lipsticks are quite easy to identify कि इनका shade क्या है. Next, the shade that I'm using is Sparklight. Now this is a darker shade than Publicity. This is more on the maroon side, and yes, I feel कि ये दो shades जो हैं Publicity and Sparklight, these are best suited for the people who like red lip shades, like recently married people. Also, you can see कि these are non-transferable. They don't transfer easily. They have passed my transfer test. If I smudge my fingers, then I could see कि थोड़ा बहुत transfer हो रही थी lip shades. Then I have this lip topper by Lip K Beauty, which is in the shade Unbeaten. Now I haven't used many lip toppers before, so this one is the first one that I'm using. So a lip topper is like a shimmer that you can use on the top of your lipsticks, and yes, you can see it adds that metallic effect on your lipsticks. So guys, that was it for my video. I hope you liked the swatches and my review. Do let me know in the comment section below which thing are you looking forward to try the most. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.